So I decided to study an MBA because I wanted to understand a lot more about business and finance. Finance is a really important part of what I do now, and also just understanding the fundamentals of business in a real generic sense was really interesting to me, and it has helped a lot in the role that I now do. So I was elected to my role as a city councillor 18 months ago. Before that I was in the military as a warfare officer, actually, of all things. But my role is really governing the city of Christchurch. So the studies that I learned for my MBA really directly translates to what I do now. 7 years ago we had a massive earthquake that devastated most of our city. Christchurch is going through tens of billions of dollars worth of rebuilding our city. So now I oversee a lot of that in terms of the financial management of what we're doing as a city council. I wouldn't have been able to do some of the stuff that I do now if I didn't learn the skills through the MBA. Everything from financial management to human resource management. The MBA has helped me immensely to be more competent in my role, and has actually given the confidence to the city so that I can actually lead a lot of the financial stuff that's going on. The best part was actually the learning, really. Through the Masters there was little bits of gold nuggets that I found that was like, oh, so that's how that works, and then you can actually sort of start seeing how they all interlink and go, wow, now that's cool. And then that gives you confidence. And I actually think the real gold mine in doing extra study as an MBA is the understanding of how everything works and interlinks and interworks. And you can actually take that and apply it, and you can become a far more rounded person. No matter what your role is, you can be confident that you know what you're talking about. Then you can help other people become confident, and then you become a leader in your own right. So the greatest challenges for me was the unexpected. My father passed away in the middle of my MBA program. I did consider at one stage, do I finish this MBA now? But AIB was really, really good in saying, just take the time. It's not a rush. They're very understanding and were very helpful. So I took a couple of months off, and then getting back into it was a challenge, but they actually really helped smooth the burden and say, look, these are the things that you need to do to sort of get up to speed and whatnot. So if you're going to commit to doing an MBA, commit to doing it. You're going to have some late nights where it's like, why am I doing this? And you know what? When you actually get the results back from the grades or from the examinations or from the assignments, you go, yep, that was worth it.